What's up world, how you doing? I just got a brand new haircut today. I hope so. I'm looking good. And I'm in the Park Wilson, which is little city park in the Poznań. But the topic of today's video is palmiarnia in Poznań, which is the palm house, which is exactly what is behind me. And I'm gonna tell you one thing. It's first thing what I heard about the Poznan is I have to visit this place. I didn't been there yet. Another thing is as it looks little bit on the pictures inside like gardens by the bay with all the dome style things. With this difference, as gardens by the bay and everything is pretty new in Singapore, but this one is over 100 years old because was built in 1922 already. So very interesting. Maybe it looks old from the outside, but I believe it's very cool inside. So let's get inside and let's have a look. Should be a lot of palm trees from all around the world. So something interesting, tropical, good for the winter in Poland right now. In the background, as you can see, old town, and this is the palmiarnia itself. Looks old, that's definitely, but I can imagine that was already 100 years ago here, while other things in Southeast Asia was not much, so that's the thing. But that's Europe, that's the little park, as the green, well, it's winter time, but that's the old houses, and in the middle, just in the middle is the palmiarnia. Okay, let's get inside, buy the ticket, and I will show you. And now I'm in palmiarnia. And I'm wearing the t-shirt only because it's very warm here, because obviously the palm trees needs to have a warm, of course, so it's cool. I think winter is a great place to visit this place, because in the summer maybe it will be even too hot. It's different, it's rustic, it's old, it's different because I used to do all the stuff like this in Southeast Asia when everything is new, like a 5, 10, 20 years old maximum, but here everything is old. And this tree is so big. I will show you a little bit today, a little bit different video, but very cool attraction in Poznan. I'm gonna tell you at the beginning, and it's cost you only 16 zł, which is like $3-4 US maybe entrance fee. Very cheap. They even have some koi fish, the small one, but the same thing. It's so good. You see everything you can see in Poland as well, the same. It's cool. Like I said, it's rustic. There are palm trees. The roofs are so old. Not too many people. Let's walk around. Let's see what's going on. Fiscus, like this one. Yeah, actually we can translate from Asia, Southeast Asia. So back to the same vibe. Okay, I will show you a little bit around what we can find here. Palm trees like this one, everything. Also from Southeast Asia, just the beginning. Look, like this one. So the vibes, even if Winnie will be missed this vibe, she can come here. Plus everyone is here, like a palm tree in Bali, right? I think you can touch here actually also. Nobody says you cannot touch anything though. Not sure. Okay, let's get inside. That's how does it look like. They also have a little bit of the fishes, more koi fishes. That's the big one. Same like in Bali, what we see. Little fishes, you cannot feed them though. And also the waterfall indoor. So technically everything is here though. Small but very rustic. Actually more jungle vibe than this one in Singapore. Another big palm tree high. Here you go, touching the roof. It's actually because maybe because it's old, it's actually feel everything more rustic here. More natural actually. In next room they have a banana tree and everything. Oh, here you go, there are bananas over there. Here we go, the same like everywhere actually. So very cool place though, but very, I heard some birdies, but very rustic, I could say. Here you go, you can see the construction is very old. Totally different than modern things, right? Of course, you can see the plants here from all around the world, not only from Southeast Asia. This is the banana tree with the bananas growing in Poznan, in Poland during the winter. But many other weird and interesting things. PTS is not in English here, but you can take a headset and there will be English speaking guide, or you can hire the guide. And this one is from the Western Africa. Yeah, so cool. I'll show you just a little bit. Mosquito thingy or something. National Geographic kit. It's very warm. Actually, that's the very old heating system. So you know, very cool. Okay, not gonna make it too long though, but I'll show you how it's going here. Oh, this one is something cool. There is the turtle somewhere. Where is it? Where is the turtle? Okay, that's the steam is coming. Where is the turtle? Is this? Oh my god, the turtle is very small there. Here we go, little buddy. No, that's the stone. Maybe he's hiding somewhere, sleeping at daytime. I don't know. Somewhere here. Okay, very nice. Not too many people though. I'm not sure why, but very cool place. Okay. Oh, here you have some multi-language things. Yeah, let's go more. Actually, we'll show you what's going on. Some nice thingy here. No touch the glass, of course. That's the frog from the Africa somewhere. Cool. A lot of cool things. Looks cool. Looks rustic. That's for sure. A little bit different. In general, I'm a big fan of the palm trees, so I'm happy something like this one is in Poznań. Now, if I want to go to see the palm trees in the nature, I have to go somewhere into the area of Mediterranean Sea, probably Spain or Italy, maybe Croatia or something. But for a few dollars, I can enter here and have a look what's going on. And it's actually cool. It will be even better if I came here at morning time, so the sun will be more sharp and everything will be in the more cooler colors, more fresh. But it's still okay. Still better than, well, when rainy or something, right? It was freezing this morning actually. A lot of interesting stuff. It's just rustic. That's for sure. Pavilion Savannah Afrikańska. So this is a little Africa here. Okay, cool. Never been in Africa. This is one of three continents that I never visited yet. Definitely have to. Looks cool, dry, warm, of course. Yeah, that's the African continent. Interesting stuff. Nice, actually cool stuff you can find here, that's for sure. The interesting thing is they even brought the huge stones here to make it authentic. And okay, maybe it's not as that spectacular regarding the plants, how they are situated here to compare to these places in Singapore. But this one looks just simply more rustic, more natural. Everything is just kinda messy. But that's how actually it's supposed to be. It's not just straight into the line. It's just like this one. Very interesting. And this is huge old building. Looks even more interesting. Actually cool. What I'm gonna tell you, it's cool. It's different. Different experience. Very nice place. A lot of cactuses, palm trees. Huge cactus here. Here we go. This old one. Going to the roof, it will grow even higher if the roof will be taller. And this one, like this one. So actually cool. A lot of cactuses here. Cool stuff. Very cool stuff. Very interesting place. Highly recommended, especially as the ticket price is very affordable. If you have a spare one, maybe 2 hours, you can come here. I'm gonna do it in less than 45 minutes, but if you're really interested to having a view, how does it look like, and read everything about the plants, you can spend easily 2 hours here. At least that's what lady said to me. And that's how does it look like. Okay, I will change the section now. Now is some nice room with the water. Also looks like very natural. A little bit rustic. That's not gonna lie. Looks cool. We're gonna have a look around. Actually, it's totally different than the parks what I visited. Well, if I can say parks like this one, because this one is different. I don't know if that makes sense what I'm saying, but it's just different. It just looks more natural. if I could say. Not many animals though, except this koi fish. That's the only thing. After that, looks pretty decent indeed. And the weather is actually changing now. It's everything getting more colors right now. Here we have some aquarium, nice made, with the trees on the top. I'm not sure what the animal is supposed to be here. They also looking for something, but it looks good, looks decent. That's actually what you could find here inside. But nice stuff. Actually just came from there, so this is the half of the place, and you have to do the loop, and there will be another thing. That's the Mediterranean climate here. Of course you can feel cooler a little bit. Mediterranean climate is not as hot as African or Southeast Asian or Asian in general. Very nice palm tree, very big. This is what I like, the fat palm trees like this one. You can find in Spain very easily. Portugal have it actually taller ones, a little bit as I remember. This one is very cool, palm tree like this one. Actually this one looks not so, I don't know, healthy, or maybe that's how it's supposed to be actually. But you can find a lot of interesting stuff. The fat palm trees are nice. And that's the some of the plants, actually very nice, with this warm industrial light, actually like this one. Very cool indeed. Like this one, don't touch the glass. Very nice. Some shop with some interesting stuff, actually. Very cool. Of course there must be something to buy, some merchandise, some paintings, some stuff. So normally I feel like in Bali right now with all of these bracelets and everything, but they are more into African vibe. That's the only difference. Masks, everything. Actually very interesting concept. You can get it. There is the 7 Continents coffee shop. I will come back there with Winnie because it's very nice and I want to take her, but not on today's occasion. But I will take Winnie here and we will go and show the place. That's actually the end of the thingy. Nice painting though, and this is it. Oh, there are more palm trees there. I will get there. Never enough cactuses and palm trees. Of course, everywhere, everything. But I think that one is actually enough already of the cactuses, because there actually in this room there is aquarium. The first, I think I read somewhere, this is the one of the first aquarium in Poland, like this one. Pierwsze publiczne akwarium w Polsce, as I said, the first public aquarium in Poland was actually here in Poznan, in Poland. So cool, let's have a look. Fishes. Even manta is here. Here we go. Very cool indeed. Very cool. Actually, cool little bit of the fishes here. I will show you. Like this one. Very interesting, nice. Some of them. The cool thing is about this one is there will be everything from all around the world. Not only about the one continent or something or one region, but literally all around the world. So it's cool. That's cool. That's the very weird looking fish. This one, though. Nice. Not too much special effects or anything. Nothing like flashy and fancy, but actually nice. Very cool fish as well here. That's the names in case this one. If you're interested. Oh, here was actually one also. I didn't realize. This one. So cool. And what is it? Shark? No, I don't know. Is it shark here? What is it? Turn around, please. Very big fishy. Chilling around. Interesting. Going into me. Nice shot. Posing. I'm hungry. That's the zoom actually. This one and this one, so they are not sharks. Obviously, some nice fishes here as well. Big one. Very interesting place. That's what they does actually. Some people here. That's the small fishes here. Gonna go on the other side. Yeah, and you can see the years of active. Pierwszy budynek palmiarni, the first building of this palmiarnia was from 1911, 115 years ago nearly. That's so old. Well, Europe was totally different than Southeast Asia. Maybe Europe looks old now, but it was, different stuff. It was, everything has changed, but it's nice to be here and have a look. Oh, so sweet little fishy. The gold one here. What else we have here? Like this one is pretty dark here though. And some big fishes at the end. Very big fishes. Yep, that's how the zoo look like. So that was actually pretty cool, little bit old place, rustic, very interesting concept. 115 years old, 100 years old place, just behind in the city center, in the heart of the Poznan. Actually, when they built this, it was the edge of the Poznan. Now it's the heart of the Poznan. On the other side, there's also the Poznań Fair Trade. And on the other side, there's also the old zoo, which was the zoo in the city center, but they moved it because it was too small and too close to the center. Everything is old in this place, actually, but that's nice at the same time. I'm trying to show you as many cool things as possible. I was waiting when the sun is gonna shine and I'm gonna have a spare time to come here and show you. Tomorrow or another next day there will be another video from different parts of Poznań, of course, or maybe somewhere else, because you never know. I will see you next video. See you, take care guys, thanks for watching and being with me.